Good morning students, welcome to this video. Previous class we will see about energy giving food and protective food and body building food, like that carbohydrate and fat, energy giving food, and protein is a body building food, and vitamins and minerals is a protective food. Okay, so these all nutrients is important in our body. Besides, some other nutrients also is important for our body. So what are the nutrients? The dietary fiber and water. Dietary fiber and water. So dietary fiber and water, so these are one kind of nutrients. These nutrients is very important in our body. So the dietary fibers is nothing but, the dietary fibers is also known as the roughage. The dietary fiber is also known as for roughage. So the roughage, the roughage is mainly provided only in the plant product food item. The roughage is mainly provided only in the plant product, plant product food item, plant product food items. The roughage is mainly provided plant food items like the whole grains and potato and fresh fruits or vegetables. So these are the fruits items is containing the roughage. Okay, so the roughage is mainly get from plant product foods such as the fruits and potato and the fresh vegetables, in some other fruits also. Okay, and this roughage does not provide any nutrient. This roughage does not provide any nutrients in our body. Does not provide any nutrients. So this roughage definitely does not provide any nutrients, but this roughage is very important in our body. Have you understood? And but is essential. So this roughage does not provide any nutrients in our body, but it is a essential component in our body. Okay, and what is the function of this, the dietary fiber and roughage? The function of the roughage means nothing but it is the unwanted waste material removed from the body, or that it helps our body to get rid of undigested food. That rid of undigested food. So what is the function of roughage? It is a rid of undigested food. In our body having some of the undigested food is present in our body. So this roughage helps to remove the undigested material from in our body. So that is about the dietary fibers. Have you understood? So the dietary fiber is nothing but it is the dietary fiber is known as called the roughage. The roughage is mainly get from the plant product food item such as potato and crust fruit item and whole grain, and these are the some of the plant product food item you will get the roughage. And the roughage does not provide any nutrients in our body, but there is a essential components of food. So these components is important in our body. in the function, it is a rate of anti-state food. The rate of anti-state food means there is some the unwanted material storage in our stomach region in our body. So this roughage can remove the unwanted material from the body. So that is about the dietary fiber. Okay. And next one, water. The next one, water. So the water is a very important one of the nutrients in our body, because the water it can absorb that minerals, and that minerals is always transferred from one part of the body to another parts of the body. Okay, so that water is one of the essential nutrients in our body. Water it can absorb the nutrients from food, and that nutrient it can transfer from one parts of body to another parts of the body. Okay, normally we get most of the water in our body. Normally we'll get most of the water in our body. There is some like the unwanted water, like that urine and sweat from in our body. Normally we get most of the water in our body need the liquid we drink. So normally every day we are drink the water. Water is very important in our body. Okay, wow. So it is one of the essential nutrients, such as water. So, every day we are getting the water the different way. Only that liquid form only, like that we are drink the water and tea and milk also. In addition, and water we most cooked foods. For example, whenever your mom prepared any food item, definitely the water is very important. Without water, your mother cannot prepare any food items. Have you understood? So the water is very important in our body. Okay, what is the main function of water? Water it can absorb the nutrients from food. That nutrients is very important in our body. Okay, the nutrients it can always transfer from one part of the body to another parts of the body. So that is about the water. And next one, activity 3, the page number 14. So it is one of the small activity. So take some fruits item like tomato or lemon or orange or pineapple, any food item. First you take it and cut the small pieces. Definitely you feel is during that time, see your hand gets some weight from that food. What the food, that like fruit item is containing that water substance. That food item is containing that water substance. Okay, carefully observe whenever the vegetables and fruits are being cut or peel and remove the outer covering. Definitely your hand gets some the weight. Okay, because why your hand get the weight? Because the fruit item is containing that water. The maximum of the fruits is containing that water. Okay, so that's why your hand get wet from the fruits. Whenever you cut the fruits, your hand get wet because the fruit is containing that water. And we see that many food materials themselves is contain water. Like any food item, that mainly fruits or vegetables is food item is containing water. To some extent in our body needs are met by that water. Okay. So apart from this, we also add water while cooking many food items. So without water you can't food. Without water, definitely we can't prepare any food items. Have you understood? So that all the food item, the maximum of the food item is containing that water, particularly like the fruits and the vegetables item itself. And our mom prepared the food, that food item also is containing that water. Okay, thank you.